there is a new action here, mention IOMIDS on Twitter X, and you can see it has a new icon. So it's a replacement of previous one we had, which was called quote or mention IOMIDS on Twitter. The difference is that the new one will be able to catch automatically your tweets and allocate points without requiring you to submit manually the links. So let's see how to set this up and how it works now. First thing to do is make sure you go in your settings, go to other apps, Twitter, and connect. So I'm authorizing Twitter. So now I just need to go on Twitter and say something that will mention IOMIS. And I'm tweeting this. So because I have included this mention here, the system will be able to capture it automatically once per day. Okay, so I wait for the 15 minutes and refreshed. And I can see I have one participation here already done. So I earned the points. Let's verify. I can go to here, for instance, and see, okay, mention IOMIDS on Twitter X. And that's the tweet I just did. So that's perfect. I got my 50 points for doing this without having to submit the contribution. So that's it. That's what you can do with the new MIDS integration. Please keep in mind the way you can work with this action. Same criterias, same frequency. The only thing is make sure you have your profile connected and just do your tweets once a day and see the points coming in. Thanks for your attention. See you soon.